This is the miniature Birmingham. This is the giveaway house. If you're one of the first 100,000 subscribers, you need to keep sending your postcards in because I'm giving this away New Year's Eve night, just before the stroke of midnight. We're going to give this thing away. We'll give you more details about when we're going to call you. It's probably going to be between 10 and midnight. We're going to give you a call. But this is awesome. It's got the slate looking roof on here, all the faux rafters. It's only 16 foot long, but that's a giveaway. And then right here is our Charleston. Let me show this right here. I've been wanting to do this video of the Charleston. This is just the Charleston. You see the corbel brackets, right? You got the stained or the polyurethane soffit overhang. This is an LP siding trim, the faux rafters that go all the way across. Look at the dormer. The dormer's got board and batten, and then it's got the brackets separate. They're corbel brackets. We call them corbel brackets and the faux rafters. That gives this whole look. Let me walk around the side here. This is called the Charleston. You go to our website, you can look up the Charleston. Is this not beautiful? This is 10 by 30. You know, it was 10 by 28, and I just went ahead and threw 2 feet on it because the bedroom I thought was just too small. Now see up underneath there? Yep, that is a polyurethane clear coat soffit overhang. And the overhangs are 30 inches long. Who does that, right? Here we go. We'll go across. Just take a gander at that. LP siding, we got an air exchanger in here. Got custom light fixtures. You got your water spigot. Oh man, this is just a beautiful home. Let's go inside. There you go. Wow. This is a Charleston. Look at the shine on that ceiling right there. All right. So I'm gonna just gaze around. All of our models come painted white. They come with the stain grade polyurethane trim. See the trim? It's a little extra design. I asked the guys, put a little bit of personality. You can see they've got window sills. All this is polyurethane. The walls are painted. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let me get back here. I'm gonna get back and show you. So to my left, over here, you guys right, this is the staircase that goes up. This is a floor plan that we've been doing so much because of this big living room area. So you're looking over about 110 square foot of just one big room, this whole thing, right? And then you got your kitchen, right? And then your bathroom right across here. All of this is polyurethane. The ceiling, everything that's wood trim is polyurethane. I think it's a great contrast when you take this beam. I wish you could feel this. It's so slick compared. And then you got the wall. This is a shiplap wall. We do shiplap or V-groove. Let me show you this right here. Let me turn around and point. Then you got your sconces. So this is a design that I came up with. You got your picture window, and you got your 2 sconces. You got your mini split. It blows all the way through. And as you can see, this is a loft. Upstairs, I'm going to go into this little string here because it was made to travel. And these are the steps you go up to that loft. And that loft is well over for a king-size bed size. All right? 3-way lights, plugs, switches. Here's the kitchen. Overhead, range hood. You get your cooktop, cabinets, farm-style sink. All this comes with this design. You don't have, there's no added anything to this yet. You get a vanity, regular toilet, 32-inch shower, not a 36, and then a barn-style door. And then you come in here, we've got a cabinet is with this, and the water heater's underneath the cabinet. This is the bedroom. So, I know, look, I've got a tripod. I'm just trying to set up for you guys so I can get over here. So over here is your washer and dryer. It's made for a stackable. On the 10 by 20, the washer and dryer, we couldn't really put it. You had to put it under the stairs. This is for a stackable washer and dryer. Now, if you didn't want a washer and dryer, it's a great place for a closet. Then under here, you have your electric water heater is under here, and here is a closet, all right? And we put shelves in it, and they're adjustable shelves. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, hang on, everybody. So you got adjustable shelving in here, right? Or you could, if you wanted to later on, you could put you a rack in there for stand-up clothes. But I love this bedroom, and I made it actually 2 foot bigger, you guys can see. It's 10 by 10, a little bit less because of the thickness of the walls, but it gives you ample room for a bed. And let's say you put a single bed in here. The room is unbelievable large for that. But if you just put your bed here, right? And I'm trying to, just bear with me. I'm trying to do this on my own. And but if you put your bed here, right? You've got so much room. You could put a closet. You could put another armoire. You could put a bed on this side, put a closet. There's enough room for a dresser drawer in here. Lots of cool stuff. I don't add that because it's just going to limit you where you're going to have to exactly put your bed, and I don't really want to do that. I actually feel like I'm in an apartment. I've got a bedroom, full kitchen, bathroom. I got a living room. I got a loft. This feels like I'm in a condo somewhere with, of course, the painted. It is trimmed. This is done. All this is ready for is people to move their stuff in. So this is the Charleston. We are almost ready for Birmingham. We did the outside. I think it's going to be done. I'm hoping it'll be done when I get back from Arizona next week. So we are looking at November. We're almost into December. The 1st is coming up, so we're close. So maybe about December 7th or 8th. I hope we have a Birmingham you guys can look into. I'll let you know more about that later. Go to our website, look up our model homes. Great prices. All right, a home like this, a 10 by 30 home, anywhere in the country, price it. Tell me if you can find something cheaper with the exact amenities, the look, the sweeping overhangs, 30-inch overhangs, 30-inch overhangs. We have all the amenities are listed on our website. Like we have an air exchanger. I got to show you this. I'm looking up top. Let me move my camera. Look at this right here. You guys see that? I don't know if you can see that up there. Yeah, look how that's shiny. See that? Wait a minute, right there. Look at that. The polyurethane in here is sick. Yeah. It looks amazing. I love it. I love this house. I love what we're doing. I'm so proud of this design. And this is how it's coming out. And we've got 8 foot wide, 10 foot wide, 30 foot long, 34 foot long. Go to our website. Listen, if you're wanting a full-blown tiny home and you want it to look like this, we got better prices, the best quality in the country. Well, there's some good builders. I don't want to say we're better than the builders, but you can't beat our price. All right? Thanks, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the Charleston at Incredible Tiny Homes.